If you guys buy any of these Amazon or eBay high mount AC compressor relocation kits for the old R4 or even a sanding compressor, just a couple things to be aware of. One, their directions suck. I mean, it's not that hard to figure out. It's like, all right, well, thanks for that. Nutshell, you got 3 spacers, 2 longer ones and a shorter one, plus you got you're going to remove one of your water pump bolts, the center one, passenger side, and then you're obviously going to remove your belt tensioner to get it installed. But I'm sitting here scratching my head. I'm like, I mean, I'm not that stupid, but like, well, I need to, like, why is this so difficult? You should just go right on. So I'll show you the finished product here in a second. And that's what it looks like installed. This is my 90 Suburban, 6-liter 𝐼𝐭𝐞𝐦, factory square body air conditioning hoses, lines, what have you. Factory Harrison R4 style air compressor, and NICECNC, yeah, 𝐒𝐞𝐦 𝐒𝐿 bracket. It's actually a pretty nice piece. There are domestic suppliers that make them. You can find them on Amazon. ICT Billet makes them. They make them here. I mean, they sell a kit that comes with a tensioner. And the belt tensioner recommended, it's like a Jeep 4-liter tensioner. And then they give you a part number for the belt. So that's about it on this one.